Good morning, everyone. If you clicked on this video, it's because you were having trouble making the Pip-Boy background replacer or your own custom one. So I'm going to show you how. It's actually really easy, even though the only tutorial available kind of sucks. You're going to want paint.net, an image that either you made or you got online. Make sure it is PNG, and I will show you why. First things first, we're going to create a new file in paint.net for 1024 by 1024. That's the resolution of the Pip-Boy. You're going to hit OK, and then you're going to have this. Guess what? Make it black. Remember that image you had? Open it. And you are going to copy it. Go to this, make a new layer so it's above black, and paste it. Adjust it to fit how you want. Then what you're going to do is merge them. One thing that really helps when you're doing DDS files is you save this as a DDS first. So we're just going to go in all of these, and we're going to name it something like this. I'm not showing this because this is my not safe for work one, but we are going to copy this. It is called Pipboy screen _ D, and it is going to be a DDS file. So when you save it, save this as PNG, Pipboy screen _ D dot DDS. Save. Don't worry about this for now. Then you're going to want to close this, and then reopen that file you just made. Then you want to go to layer properties and lower that opacity. Somewhere around 40 to 50 is okay. Let's go ahead and put on 40. And then when you hit save as again, it'll show you it's a direct draw surface file. Hit save, replace, and now you're going to get this lovely screen. You can take a look at your files, see if there's anything you need to change. See all these dots. If you want to get rid of these dots, just pick a preview that works for you. I think BC2 linear DXT3 works fine. I'm not going to mess with anything else here. You'll see that the file size actually changed. It got bigger. Don't worry about it. That's fine. You want that. Hit OK. Now that that's done, we're going to go in our tutorial file. I probably should have explained earlier. You want to make a blank folder, call it data. Make a folder inside that called textures. Another one, anim objects, Pip-Boy, and then finally your file. In here, the mistake I did the first time was going right-clicking and adding to archive as it is now. Don't do that. You want to go inside this folder, right-click the data folder, and then add to archive. We're just gonna call this, fucking hell. Kazu Mega Milk Replacer. I'm gonna make it a zip, but you can have it as a RAR, it's up to you. Cool, now that that's done, we're going to go into our Vortex or whatever mod manager you have. I recommend Vortex, and just to see if it works, we're going to copy, put in, let it deploy, and then test to see if it even works. I will go ahead and skip to seeing it work. And now that you're in game, there's only one thing to do. Check your Pip-Boy. And if you followed all my steps correctly, your screen background should have changed. Now it is the image you made. This is affected by light, so if you go into where it's brighter, see if I put on my Pip-Boy screen, it's going to appear brighter. When the shadows face away from the light, it's going to be darker. So adjust the brightness how you see fit, but do make sure that you save it as a DDS file first, then go back to paint.net, open it, and then change your opacity. You don't want it to be a solid color, you want it to be transparent. So again, around 40 to 50, transparency is a good fit. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make some mods. Make some... Add porn. Add porn to your game. Do anything. Do whatever you want. This is your game. Mod it how you want.